What does it taste like? Come on, try that one. Wow. Look
Shiona.
at this.
Yes.
Shiona, look. That's dragon fruit. Look at this. Yum. I mean, it's not as good as I thought it would be, but it's okay. It tastes exactly like cucumbers, but with a tiny bit more flavor. I was expecting a bit more.
Wow, Shiona likes it because she doesn't like it. Because she doesn't like sweet.
Look at this.
Drop it. Look.
Look at our hands.
Oh, you're right.
This thing stains your hands so much that I've seen on YouTube people use this to people use this on their lips.
I'll keep this in the fridge. I'm not very impressed. Okay, cut the video.
Goodbye.